Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. Today is a beautiful day and the temperature is 22 degrees and it's nice outside. So we're going to go to Alum and see what's going on, see what's for sale. Hope you enjoyed the video. Jackets here. Looks like everything's for sale out here. Looks like everybody's going crazy for the Pakistani mangoes. They're in season now. Look nice as well. How much are your samosas?
60 pence.
60 pence. How are you okay, Kotli? Assalamu alaikum. Pembroke Road is a ramp from one side all the way to another. Believe me. You got all different type of fans. Got some nice prayer mats, mashallah, all different colours. Assalamu alaikum. Is that Atar? Perfume. What's his name? How much is it?
15 pounds.
Okay, Jazakallah, thank you. Uncle here's got some nice Mindy codes as well, all different type of ones. Got some more Mindy cones and stuff, and all the stuff. Assalamu alaikum. Got these little pretty dresses. Really cute. I don't know if you remember my video on Pakistan one, I bought these. All the different dupatte, different colours, even Bakhmal ones. It's proper busy on this road today. Got really nice little toys. How much are these? 15 pounds. Okay. Got all these balls. Some nice slushy going on here. Looking hookah, kaplamas, samosas, pakore. There's pakore, man. The chapel kebabs and golgapis. Got Aziz. All the sales on the Kotli. All the men's waistcoats. Most famous shop in Alum Rock. All the kapde. Aziz textiles. Got fresh oranges, 6 for a pound. Apples. Watermelons. Assalamu alaikum, uncle. Is the uncle from Egwala? How are you, uncle? You alright? Okay. I've done a video from you before.
Yeah.
You okay, uncle? Yeah? I'll come down later, inshallah. Okay. Duvet covers. How much are these, uncle? £10. Double. Double duvet. Double. Alright, thank you. More samosas, fresh chaat. More slushies. Pakistan's favourite drink, Mountain Dew. These from Sandal House, mashallah. Really nice. They'll keep these little ones though. Look at these. I haven't saw it. Show you guys fresh cakes.
Hussein, Thawban, Abdullah bin Umar, Abdullah bin Abbas.
The mangoes, mashallah. How much are the mangoes, bro?
2 boxes, 11.99.
2 for 11.99, yeah? Mashallah, thank you. So now it's pineapples, cherries, and chilies. You got loads of bob shops now on Alum Road. Oh, bro, sorry. Loads of little toys, little guns. Loads of different types of angles. You got all these beautiful necklaces. sets. Really nice earrings. And shoes. Triples. And lady sandals. Different cardigans. Really beautiful dresses. Different styles and colours. For young kids. Slushies, please. Three. The pound each, yeah? Pound each. Thank you. Cap 3. Uncle's got some nice pakora. He's got some nice samosas as well. He's doing some nice slush. Thank you. Come here, one. Mixed, please. Yeah.
Inshallah, donate generously to Afghanistan appeal. The people of Afghanistan do not know where the next meal is coming from. Donate your zakat, sadaqah, lillah donations. Help the people of Afghanistan by donating
nice
food, medical care, rebuilding homes. Imagine the orphan standing by the rubble of his house, no mother, no father. Take care of them, and Allah will remove your sufferings on the day of judgment.
No. هذا يبسي وقصر وسمع خامخا دو ديالو كنت يبسي وقصر وسمع يا كيشو أقاري كمان
Inshallah, donate generously for Afghanistan, help the suffering people of Afghanistan.
Grab a stool.
Food parcels, medical care.
Grab a stool. I got myself a slush and my mate's a slush as well. No wonder the kids always want them. They're really nice. More dresses, all wedding stuff, Islamic stuff, tissue paper, water. Famous Greg's on Alum Road. Go eat. Thank you, sir. And it wouldn't be Alum Rock if there were no police about. Pots. All these nice cups. Got this shkurna, rute, bowls, sieves, oranges, everything, grapes. Some nice pomegranates. Kotli style beds. So you can send your cargo, 99p a kilo, straight to Pakistan. Look, loads of people have put it in there. More bob shops. Some jewellery and stuff there. Fresh shawarma being cut there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully we'll have another one for you soon, inshallah, on Eid Day. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.